Hi guys, this is the Xiaomi Water Purifier 1200G Pro. And let's open this. We'll install this on your countertop, yeah? A manual, but I would bet it's all in Chinese. First filter is the 800G RO filter, 400G RO filter as well. And it comes with RFID, yeah? It's a PPC filter as well. It's quite big here. Look at my hand and size of this. Yeah, I'm going to explain that in a short while, how to connect all this, yeah? So you can just take it out this way. Take it out. And take out as well. A 2-pin plug, this cable tie, one in grayish color. This is going to connect to your wastewater, and this is where you connect your water source. Your tap water comes in here, then after that this is the purified water, and this in red here is the wastewater. There's 3-way. Yeah, this will connect to your water purifier via this pipe. This will go to your existing one. So let's try and install this. Okay, just need to take this out first, push this in and connect this. Yep, try and push it in all the way. Okay, then you can twist this, just screw it in. Yeah, I think I will need to use a spanner. I think I can do this. Yeah, done. Fully in, and this is very tight. Just here, let's try and bring this up so that you can see. Just put it out. I should be able to. Okay, and this will goes in this way. Let's see if I can do this. Be underneath the white circle. Yeah, so once it's clipped, it should be quite secured. Yep. Okay, next would be the wastewater, which is this one. Then I saw this is like an extension, yeah? It says that if your wastewater is less than 150 TDS, then you can install this. Yeah, if not, if it's more than 150, or this wastewater pipe will be clogged. Take this out first, push this in. Simple as that. The clip provided in red, so it matches the color, and this is secured. All right, wastewater pipe, push it in. This is another clip, and clip it, and this is also secured. This faucet, of course, will be installed on top of the tabletop or the countertop, but I'm not going to show you that yet. Let me just show you how it looks like after I've connect this as well. Okay, so this is just a sample. Of course, I'm not going to use it like this. Just going to push this in, take this out first. Okay, and push this in all the way. Okay, there you go. And next, this is where the power goes to. Of course, there's 2 here. Yeah, actually one will goes to your power source. Yep, so the thicker one, this one, of course, obviously goes to your power source, and the thinner one, this will goes to, this one will goes to your faucet. Yeah, because this needs power as well. There's a LED here to show you the information. So pretty simple. All you need to do is just match it. There's arrows, yeah, this arrow and this arrow here, so make sure they are connected. Then you just secure it this way, then it's done. So basically I have already set up the whole thing. Yeah, it's just that I need to connect to the water source, so I need to make a hole here. This is actually just 20 mm, so it's like 2 cm. So you only need a hole which is big enough to get through this. Yeah. Okay, let's clear this. So I would need to make sure that I have a power supply here. And next, you must need to have ample space for you to put the water purifier. There's a wastewater pipe, right? The wastewater pipe have to go through. So I need to drill a hole here. It's exactly 22 mm diamond drill bit. Yeah, I will need to put some water there. Yeah, otherwise it will be difficult to drill. So water on top. Look at that. Okay, I just need to do a marking in the middle here. Alright, then I know where to drill. Yeah, just a hole so that I can see the hole from bottom. So let's try now. So I can already see the hole underneath here. Alright, I have the hole here, and never mind all this. This is the old one. Yeah, so I'm going to put in this. Alright, right, this is where the water will come from. This will connect to the water purifier later. Oops. Okay, and this will connect to the power. This is a 22 mm hole, and this is 20 mm, so just nice. Yeah, okay, so I just need to straighten it and tighten it using this from underneath. Put this in first. Okay, then this hole will be big enough for this to come in. Yeah, it will be easier this way, right? So much easier. Tightening it. Yeah, pretty much done. So I'm going to twist it to the middle. All right, just nice. So yep, I can imagine pushing here so that water will go into the basin. Put it here so you can have your cup. Yep. Now let's bring this into this part. So this will go to the water source, which is behind here. All right, now connected. Just make sure this is still closed so that the water doesn't go in yet. The next thing I need to do is to make sure the wastewater pipe goes in to this place. Okay, so I will need to drill a hole. If you can see, this is the hole. Yeah, so it's actually from upwards, so this should be good enough. Okay, I think it's done. So this is a screwdriver just to show you that this can go in. Yeah, easy way to find out whether the hole is really there. Okay, this will where the wastewater goes in. Yep, just attach this wastewater line, this pipe, into it. Okay, make sure it's all the way in. Done. So I have the water source, I have the wastewater attached. Now the last part is this. Okay, this is where this is going into the machine here. I just need to take this out, push this in all the way, okay, until it's stuck there. So done. This wire would have to go to this one, right? So let's attach this. There's two arrows. You just need to find both arrows. This one arrow, this arrow, and push it in and twist it, and done. So next is to tidy up all the cables. Yeah, so right, this is the best I can do. I can still twist this, but I rather let it be easier for the waters to flow around. So I think this should be good enough. Oh yeah, it's already connected to the power as well. So as you can see, I have 3 filters here. Move this faceplate. Okay, pretty simple to take out. I think it's magnetic. Yeah, it's magnetic. Yep, nice. The first one, yeah, it says PPC, so it wouldn't go wrong, don't worry. Okay, so here comes the PPC. Just push it in, twist it, twist it. This is RO400 and this is RO800. Yeah, so the first one should be the 400. Yeah, it's stated here. Yeah, push it in. Okay, push it in, twist. Done. Push in, twist, lock it. Done. There's an instruction showing you how to put it as well. Yep, so if you guys want to know how to do this, just use Google Translate, take a picture, use Google Translate, then you get to see the whole thing again. Yeah, but I think I don't need to. It's pretty basic. And it's done. And this is a piece of plastic. Let's remove this. Yeah, cool. So now this is the moment I'm waiting for. On the switch, remember, open this. Yeah, there's a place here where I almost forgot. I need to open this. Okay, so the water will flow in. So the next thing is to install this in your media or your Mi Home apps. Yeah, then after that, once it's installed, then you can see the Wi-Fi is connected. Yeah, so now just open on this and wait for the water to come. I think it will start with a very high TDS. It will slowly goes down. Yeah, after it starts to purify. So we're seeing some water coming out. That's because I have yet to open the water fully. So this is the water. Of course, it's not purified yet. Yeah. And try not to push it all the way down. Otherwise, the water a bit too much. Okay, just wait for it to purify the water first. The TDS is almost single digit. Yeah, single digit, then I think it's good enough for drinking. So I just leave it to keep washing out the water first, purifying. Yeah, it's now 8, so 6. Yeah, this is the low. I'm not sure it can still go lower. Oh, it can. Okay, 4, 3, 2. When it goes to 2, let's see it. I think it's still not drinkable. Yeah, get the color of it. I'll just wait for a while. Okay, I think it's almost there. Let's try again. TDS is 2. I think it went to 1 earlier. And the water is clear, no more not murky anymore. Yeah, it's still some bubbles, but let it run for another while. Okay, I think I'm ready to drink this. I'll just let it sit for a while and see if the water is clear. Okay, as you can see, guys, nice and clear. It's not murky, it's just the bubbles. Yeah, so it's safe to drink now. All right, this is done. Very nice. Yeah, this is 1200G, and I still have the old one here. This is 400G. 10 years ago I've installed this, and it's actually pretty basic. Yeah, this is the wastewater line. This is where the water comes in and also goes out. So I still have about 7 days life yet. 7 days life for this air purifier, so I'm going to use this before I switch to the new one. Yeah, so this is the Mi Home app. Yeah, let's check out the one that I've installed. This is the one. This Media dual core water purifier. I think the name is too long. It's 1200G. So once you have installed, you get to see your water tap TDS, which is not too bad. It's 50, meaning the source, yeah. And after purifying is 8. So the temperature is 28. So this is nice. Then these are the three filters that I have. Yeah, PPC RO400G, RO800G, all is 100%. And I've just used about 15 liters. I can even see more. Okay, by week, by month, or by year. Okay, very nice. And how I've used water today, how many liters, is all being shown in this app. Yeah, I hope this guide helps you to install your Xiaomi water purifier. Thank you. Bye.